Hello students, this is Shrujana madam and today we will be discussing the 6th, 7th, 8th and 9th chapter of the current affair book given in the GK book. Starting with chapter 6, Newsmakers. Newsmakers are those people or event that form the part of our current news. Starting with the first point, Ardha Kumbh Mela. The Ardha Kumbh Mela was held at Triveni Sangam in Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh from 15th January to 4th March 2019. Moving to the second point about the elections held in India, we have the general election for the Lok Sabha was held in April to May 2019. The Bharatiya Janata Party, well known as BJP, along with the parties supporting it, formed the new central government under the Prime Ministership of Shri Narendra Modi. So when we are asked who is the current Prime Minister of India, our answer will be Shri Narendra Modi. Moving towards the scientific achievement of India, India launched its second space mission to Moon, Chandrayaan-2, on July 22nd, 2019. So the second space mission to Moon launched by India, its name was Chandrayaan-2. Moving forward to the fourth point. The International Astronomical Union has named a minor planet Pandit Jash Raj after the famous Indian classical musician Pandit Jash Raj. Children, astronomical means those things which are related to the study of various planets present in the different solar systems of the universe. Our Earth belongs to the solar system which is known as Akash Ganga or the Milky Way. Similarly, our Akash Ganga currently has 8 main planets. So, the Astronomical Union has named a small or minor planet as Pandit Jash Raj after the famous Indian classical musician Pandit Jash Raj. Moving forward towards the fifth point. Indian television journalist Ravish Kumar was one among 5 people who won the 2019 Raman Magsaysay Award. Moving towards the sixth point, Jammu and Kashmir was divided into 2 new union territories. First, Jammu and Kashmir, and second is Ladakh. As we can see in this picture, the entire portion which was previously Jammu and Kashmir is now divided into 2 parts. One is Ladakh, another one is Jammu and Kashmir. Moving down towards the 7th point, we have Wing Commander Abhinandan Varthaman, fighter pilot of the Indian Air Force, was awarded the Veer Chakra on the Independence Day 2019. So, if asked in the year 2019 for the Independence Day, which wing commander got the Veer Chakra, the answer will be Abhinandan Varthaman. Moving forward to our chapter number 7. Here we have some important and interesting facts. Those are, first is our quiz time. This Indian-born American economist won the Nobel Prize for Economics for 2019 and the answer will be Abhijit Banerjee. Moving towards the second point, we have which country won the final in the ICC World Cup cricket tournament held in England and Wales in July 2019. Our answer will be England. Similarly, moving forward to our question number 3, we have the Firoz Shah Kotla Cricket Stadium was recently renamed after a former finance minister and cricket administrator. Who is this person? The person's name or that finance minister's name is Arun Jaitley. Moving forward to the fourth point, what was the name of the event hosted in Houston, Texas, USA on September 22nd, 2019 in honor of the Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi? It is Howdy Modi. Moving forward to question number 5. This superstar of Indian cinema has been awarded the Dada Saheb Phalke Award for 2018 for his immense contribution to the Indian film industry. And the answer is Amitabh Bachchan. Moving forward to bit number 6. Which temple in Kerala was in the news after the Supreme Court of India lifted a ban on the entry of women under the age of 50 into the temple? The answer will be Sabarimala Ayyappa Temple. Moving forward to the 7th bit, this former External Affairs Minister of India died on August 6, 2019. Her name will be Sushma Swaraj. Moving forward towards the last point of this chapter, which movie starring Hrithik Roshan was based on the life of a mathematics teacher from Patna who gives free coaching to poor students for the IIT entrance examination? And its answer is Super 30. Moving forward towards our lesson number 8, we have the world of science. First, name the following. This ringed planet recently replaced Jupiter as the planet with the most number of moons. Can you name the planet? As we know, children, previously Jupiter was the planet of our solar system, which was famous as it had several number of moons. But after recent study, we have come to know that the planet which has got several number of moons is Saturn. Moving forward towards the second bit, this international prize for the popularization of science is given by the UNESCO. It was created following a donation from Mr. Biju Patnaik, a former Chief Minister of Orissa. The name of this prize is Kalinga Prize. Moving forward to the third point. In which city is India's first underwater train project going to be launched? The answer is Kolkata. Number 4th, this young climate activist from Sweden has received worldwide recognition for her efforts to fight climate change. She was in the news for her powerful speech on September 2019 at the United Nations Climate Action Summit held in New York City. And the little girl's name is Greta Thunberg. Moving forward to the last chapter of the current affair booklet, famous monuments. Children, famous monuments are the heritage which we cherish in our country. They are located in several states of India. People visit them as tourist places. They earn several revenue for the government, and they always depict the ancient art and culture of the Indian society. So here are the 4 such famous monuments. We can see here, as it is written, name the Indian states where these World Heritage Sites are located. 4 of them are Karnataka, Rajasthan, Bihar, Maharashtra. Moving to the first one, Mahabodhi Temple Complex, Bodh Gaya. It is located in Bihar. Moving forward to the second one, Jantar Mantar Jaipur. It is located in Rajasthan. Similarly, going to the third point, Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus, Mumbai. It is located in Maharashtra. And the fourth one, Group of Monuments, Hampi. It is located in Karnataka. So children, with these 4, we conclude our lesson and the current affair portion from the GK book. Thank you.